Here's an Emerson Model 511 AM radio made in 1947. This model was made between 46 and 48. I picked it up recently at a swap meet. It didn't play, it just needed electrolytic replacement. So I replaced that, the electrolytic and the capacitors. And it plays really well. It's a nice looking little radio. It's got a nice carrying handle on the top. It's built right into the Plaskon cabinet.
Allow for time at actual intersection, and that makes the time. IDEW Local 58 construction alert update. We're still watching.
First to do this, but then.
Well, back to the Guy Gordon show. We take a transition from maybe grade school down to...
Anyway, it's a nice little radio. Just wanted to share it with you radio buffs out there.